Question 1. Siraj 34:1. The senseless have vain and false hopes. And what gives wings to fools? A. Wisdom. B. Dreams. C. Riches. D. Strength. Answer: dreams. Question 2. Siraj 34:2. As one who catches at a shadow and pursues the wind, so is anyone who is compared to someone who pursues the wind. A. Follows the law. B. Believes in dreams. C. Seeks revenge. D. Wealth. Answer: B. Believes in dreams. Question 3. Siraj 34:3. What is seen in dreams is but. How does the verse describe what is seen in dreams? A. A reflection. B. A warning. C. A prophecy. D. A vision. Answer: A. A reflection. Question 4. Siraj 34:6. Unless they are sent by intervention from the Most High. What should you do unless dreams are sent by the Most High? A. Write them down. B. Pay no attention to them. C. Share them. D. Them. Answer: B. Pay no attention to them. Question 5. Siraj 34:7. For dreams have deceived many, and those who put their hope in them have. What happened to those who put their hope in dreams? A. Prospered. B. Perished. C. Grown stronger. D. Gained. Answer: B. Perished. Question 6. Siraj 34:9. An educated person knows. What does an educated person know? A. Many things. B. Few things. C. All things. D. Only what is written. A. Many things. Question 7. Siraj 34:12. I have seen many things in my travels. And what has the writer gained from his travels? A. Knowledge. B. Wealth. C. More understanding than he can express. D. Power over. Answer: C. More understanding than he can express. Question 8. Siraj 34:14. The spirit of those who fear the Lord will. What will happen to the spirit of those who fear the Lord? A. Fear no more. B. Live. C. Perish. D. Become strong. Answer: B. Live. Question 9. Siraj 34:16. Those who fear the Lord will not. What will those who fear the Lord not do? A. Be timid. B. Be proud. C. Stumble. D. Rebel. A. Be timid. Question 10. Siraj 34:19. The eyes of the Lord are on those who. Whom does the Lord's eyes watch over? A. Fear him. B. Follow the law. C. Love him. D. Pray without ceasing. C. Love him. Question 11. Siraj 34 is to 21. If one sacrifices ill-gotten goods, the offering is. What is the nature of the offering if it comes from ill-gotten goods? A. Acceptable. B. Blemished. C. Holy. D. Answer B. Blemished. Question 12. Siraj 34 is to 23. The Most High is not pleased with the offerings of. Whose offerings displease the Most High? A. The rich. B. The ungodly. C. The poor. D. The priest. Answer B. The ungodly. Question 13. Siraj 34 is to 25. The bread of the needy is the. What does the bread of the needy represent? A. The life of the poor. B. The blessing of the Lord. C. The wages of sin. D. The path to salvation. Answer A. The life of the poor. Question 14. From Siraj 34 is to 2. What is the underlying message regarding dreams? A. Dreams are the source of wisdom. B. Dreams should be trusted. C. Dreams are meaningless unless divinely sent. D. Dreams are a prophecy of. Answer C. Dreams are meaningless unless divinely sent. Question 15. What can we infer from Siraj 34 is to 6 about the importance of divine intervention? A. It is necessary to pay attention to all dreams. B. Only divine dreams carry truth. C. All dreams are omens. D. Acted upon immediately. Answer B. Only divine dreams carry truth. Question 16. Based on Siraj 34 is to 9. What is the relationship between education and experience? A. Experience alone is valuable. B. Education is unnecessary. C. Both education and experience lead to wisdom. D. Education is superior to experience. Answer C. Both education and experience lead to wisdom. Question 17. From Siraj 34 is to 4. What can we infer about truth and purity? A. Truth can come from anything. B. Purity and truth can only come from pure sources. C. Falsehood and impurity have no connection. D. Determined by intention. Answer B. Purity and truth can only come from pure sources. Question 18. Based on Siraj 34 is to 7. How are people impacted by trusting in dreams? A. People who trust in dreams are blessed. B. Trusting in dreams is a source of wisdom. C. Those who trust in dreams often face ruin. Dreams lead to prosperity if interpreted correctly. Answer C. Those who trust in dreams often face ruin. Question 19. in Sirach 34 is to 8. What is suggested about wisdom and deception? A. Deception is necessary to gain wisdom. B. Wisdom is fulfilled when deception is removed. C. Deception leads to greater understanding. D. Born from falsehood. Answer B. Wisdom is fulfilled when deception is removed. Question 20. From Sirach 34 is to 13. What can we infer about the author's travels? A. Traveling brings danger and suffering. B. Traveling results in knowledge and experience. C. Traveling leads to spiritual decline. D. Regrets his travels. Answer B. Traveling results in knowledge and experience. Question 21. In Sirach 34 is to 14. What is implied about the life of those who fear the Lord? A. They will be free from all troubles. B. Their spirit will endure and live. C. They will live without fear or doubt. D. They are full of material wealth. Answer B. Their spirit will endure and live. Question 22. Based on Sirach 34 is to 19. What can we infer about the protection of the Lord? A. The Lord's protection is selective. B. The Lord protects those who love Him from all physical harm. C. The Lord provides spiritual shelter. D. The Lord helps only those who perform sacrifices. Answer C. The Lord provides spiritual shelter and protection. Question 23. From Sirach 34 is to 27. What can we infer about the ethics of work and wages? A. Not paying wages is equivalent to robbery. B. Depriving an employee of wages is justifiable. C. The rich are exempt wages. D. Labor should be voluntary and unpaid. Answer A. Not paying wages is equivalent to robbery. Question 24. How is trusting in dreams? Sirach 34 is to 2. Compared to other actions, A. Trusting in dreams is compared to building a house. B. Trusting in dreams is compared to pursuing the wind. C. Trusting in dreams is seeds. D. Trusting in dreams is compared to seeking wisdom. Answer B. Trusting in dreams is compared to pursuing the wind. Question 25. How does Sirach 34 is to 3 compare what is seen in dreams to reality? A. Dreams are compared to a prophecy. B. Dreams are compared to a reflection of a face. C. Dreams are compared to a vision of the future. D. Are compared to a shadow. Answer B. Dreams are compared to a reflection of a face. Question 26. In Sirach 34 is to 4. What is the comparison between an unclean thing and a clean thing? A. The clean and unclean are said to be the same. B. Nothing clean can come from an unclean thing. C. Unclean things become clean with time. E. An unclean thing can produce clean things if used properly. Answer B. Nothing clean can come from an unclean thing. Question 27. According to Siraj 34:7. How is trusting in dreams contrasted with trusting in God? A. Trusting in dreams leads to wisdom, while trusting in God leads to hope. B. Trusting in dreams leads to deception. Trusting in God leads to fulfillment. C. Trusting in dreams leads to wealth, while trusting in God leads to heaven. D. Trusting in dreams and trusting in God are equally reliable. Answer B. Trusting in dreams leads to deception. Trusting in God leads to fulfillment. Question 28. How does Siraj 34:19 compare God's protection to other forms of protection? A. God's protection is compared to material wealth. B. God's protection is compared to a mighty shield and strong support. C. God's protection and human protection. D. God's protection is compared to the wisdom of men. Answer B. God's protection is compared to a mighty shield and strong support. Question 29. How is offering ill-gotten goods? Siraj 34:21. Contrasted with offering lawful sacrifices? A. Both offerings may be accepted differently. B. Offering ill-gotten goods is considered blemished, while lawful are pleasing to God. C. Ill-gotten goods are less valuable than lawful sacrifices. D. Lawful sacrifices are praised, while ill-gotten goods are rejected. Answer B. Offering ill-gotten goods is considered blemished, while lawful sacrifices are pleasing to God. Question 30. How does Siraj 34:23 contrast the offerings of the ungodly with the faithful? A. The ungodly's offerings are ignored, while the faithful are praised. B. The offerings of the ungodly are not pleasing, while the faithful fulfill the law. C. Both ungodly and faithful offerings are accepted. D. The faithful's offerings are pure, while the ungodly's offerings are blemished. Answer B. The offerings of the ungodly are not pleasing, while the sacrifices fulfill the law. Question 31. According to Siraj 34:25-26. How is depriving the poor of their necessities compared to murder? A. Depriving the poor is considered a bigger crime. B. Depriving the poor is compared to committing murder. Murder is considered a greater sin than depriving the poor. D. Depriving the poor and murder are unrelated. Answer B. Depriving the poor is compared to committing murder. Question 32. How does Siraj 34:31 compare fasting without repentance to washing after touching a corpse and touching it again? A. Fasting without repentance is as effective as washing after touching a corpse and touching it again. B. Repentance is less valuable. C. Washing after touching a corpse is less important than fasting. D. Both fasting and washing are equally virtuous. Answer A. Fasting without repentance is as effective as washing after touching a corpse again. Question 33. Siraj 34:1. The senseless have vain and false hopes. And blank, give wings to fools? A. Wealth. B. Dreams. C. Knowledge. D. Strength. Dreams. Question 34. Siraj 34 is to 2, as one who catches at a shadow and pursues the blank. So is anyone who believes in dreams. A. Clouds. B. Wind. C. Stars. D. Moon. Answer B. Wind. Question 35. Siraj 34 is to 3, what is seen in dreams is but a blank. The likeness of a face looking at itself. A. Reality. B. Vision. C. Reflection. D. Shadow. C. Reflection. Question 36. Siraj 34 is to 4, from an unclean thing what can be blank? Quote. A. Pure. B. Good. C. True. D. Clean. Answer D. Clean. Question 37. Siraj 34 is to 6, unless they are sent by intervention from the Most High. Pay no blank to them. A. Attention. B. Reverence. C. Offerings. D. Worry. A. Attention. Question 38. Siraj 34 is to 7, for dreams have deceived many, and those who put their hope in them have blank. A. Prospered. B. Failed. C. Perished. D. Survived. A. Perished. Question 39. Siraj 34 is to 12, I have seen many things in my travels, and I understand more than I can blank. A. Remember. B. Forget. C. Imagine. D. Express. D. Express. Question 40. Siraj 34 is to 14, the spirit of those who fear the Lord will blank. A. Dwell in peace. B. Live. C. Rejoice. D. Faint. Answer B. Live. Question 41. Siraj 34 is to 19, the eyes of the Lord are on those who blank him. A mighty shield and strong support. A. Fear. B. Love. C. Worship. D. Obey. A. Love. Question 42. Siraj 34 is to 21, if one sacrifices ill-gotten goods. The offering is blank. A. Pure. B. Blemished. C. Blessed. D. Holy. Answer meshed. Question 43. Siraj 34 is to 2, as one who catches at a blank and pursues the blank. So is anyone who believes in dreams. A. Vision. Stars. B. Shadow. Wind. C. light, cloud, whisper, breeze. Answer B. Shadow, wind. Question 44. Siraj 34:3, what is seen in blank is but A blank. The likeness of a face looking at itself. A. Dreams, reflection. B. Visions, shadow. C. Illusions, truth, omens, reality. Answer A. Dreams, reflection. Question 45. Siraj 34:4, from an blank thing what can be blank, and from something false what can be blank. Quote: A. Evil, good, right. B. Unholy, pure, clean, seen, clean, true. D. Imperfect, perfect, flawless. Answer C. Unclean, clean, true. Question 46. Siraj 34:5, divinations and blank are unreal. And like a woman in labor, the mind has fantasies. A. Omens, dreams. B. Signs, visions. C. Shadows. D. Nightmares, prophecies. Answer A. Omens, dreams. Question 47. Siraj 34:7, for blank have deceived many, and those who put their blank in them have perished. A. Dreams, faith. B. Visions, life. C. Prophets, hope. Dreams, hope. Answer D. Dreams, hope. Question 48. Siraj 34:9, an blank person knows blank things, and one with much experience knows what he is blank about. A. Inexperienced, few, talking. B. Educated, learning. C. Wise, no, feeling. D. Experienced, little, dreaming. Answer A. Inexperienced, few, talking. Question 49. Siraj 34:11, I have seen blank things in my blank, and I understand more than I can blank. A. Many journeys, express. B. Important visions, comprehend, strange, sleep, dream. D. New work, describe. Answer A. Many journeys, express. Question 50. Siraj 34:16, those who fear the blank will not be blank, or play the blank, for he is their hope. A. Prophets, proud, fool. B. Lord, timid, coward, dreamers, bold, warrior. D. Lord, deceived, dreamer. Answer B. Lord, timid, coward. Question 51. Siraj 34:23, the Most High is not blank, with the offerings of the blank. Nor for a multitude of blank does he forgive sins. A. Angry, humble sacrifices. B. Just prayers. C. Pleased, ungodly sacrifices. D. Happy, rich offerings. Answer C. Pleased, ungodly sacrifices. Question 52. Siraj 34 is to 31. So if one blank for his sins and goes again and does the blank things, who will listen to his blank? Quote. A. Fast, same, prayer. B. Sacrifice, wrong words. C. Repents, different promises. D. Praise, good heart. Answer A. Fast, same, prayer.